If you think there's nothing to do in Newcastle and Lawrence County, then think again. Always stay connected to NCTV45 to receive the information on events going on in and around the area on a daily basis. Programs to view are Newswatch, The Morning Show, and Community Happenings. NCTV45 takes pride in bringing you the event and organization info that you want. NCTV45 is the #1 media source locally. NCTV45, anytime on your time. NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time. If you're craving hot dogs and more, and you're in the area, then look no farther than Coney Island, downtown Newcastle on Kennedy Square.
Jim Micco and Sons, 347 East Washington Street in Newcastle, can service a lot of your lawn equipment. It's jimmickoandsons.com, their website, and you can email them at jimmickoandsons@verizon.net. Their phone number, 724-652-6911. Proud sponsors of community television in Newcastle. Good morning, Newcastle. Welcome to NCTV45's Newswatch morning. Hopefully you have that first cup of coffee, and let's get to the top stories today in Newcastle, PA. Are you ready for a night of music? Well, and this is very important because I don't know when they'll be back. A night of movies, the music of John Williams. This is going to be performed by the Pittsburgh Symphony Orchestra. And, you know, what can I say? They're absolutely great. The music from legendary composer John Williams, well-known movie scores such as Superman, Harry Potter, Indiana Jones, pre-concert dinner. They're going to have this at the Scottish Rite Cathedral in Newcastle at 6 p.m. Reservations, you can call 724-654-6683, and the Scottish Rite Cathedral, 110 East Lincoln Avenue. Just a great time they're going to have up there, and go up and check out the Pittsburgh Symphony Orchestra. They'll make you soar to new heights. We'll be right back after this.